Hello everyone, today I will be unboxing and reviewing the newest release Melodysusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill. So make sure you touch that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my new video. So the box comes with Melodysusie user manual, the rechargeable nail drill, handpiece holder, sanding bands, the adapter or the charger, and a set of 6 drill bits, another handpiece holder, and the handpiece. The handpiece is made of matte texture, which is so soft to touch, and it is also comes with the extended cable to avoid short circuit. So this is the Melodysusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill. It is vintage style and the color is very eye-catching, and it is very small. It's like the size of your phone, and this one is the forward and reverse switch. So if you are a right-handed, you use the forward switch, and if you are a left-handed, you use the reverse switch. And this one is the power and the speed button. Melodysusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill is made of powerful motor that is adjustable speed up to 30,000 RPM. And this one is the LCD display. It shows the accurate RPM, directions of rotation, and battery remaining capacity. Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill is one of the smallest and lightest e-file on the market. So this one is the handpiece holder, and it will go to the side right here. Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill is a fast charging for 2 hours, and it is equivalent to 8 hours of nail time. So now I'm gonna remove my gel polish using the Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill. So I'm gonna use the mandrel bits to remove my gel polish. I will also be using my Melodysusie nail dust collector, so I'm gonna leave the link below in my description box so you guys know where I get these products, and don't forget to use my code ROSE12 or ROSE12 to get 12% discount when you shop at Melodysusie official website. Next is toggle the forward and reverse button and then turn the power on. And then here you can see the RPM. It is adjustable all the way up to 30,000 RPM. But if you're a beginner, I will advise you to put it at a low RPM. So I'm gonna start removing my gel polish. Melodysusie new arrival superior quality rechargeable electric nail drill for both beginner and professional. It is compact and lightweight with vintage style. It can be carried everywhere. It is equipped with an upgrade handpiece. You will work without getting your hand fatigued. It is quiet yet powerful motor up to 30,000 RPM. It gives you safe and best effective nail art experience. It is easy to use for grinding, cutting, carving, removing gel polish, and cuticles. It is very smooth to use and it is easy to carry, designed with a buckle and handpiece holder design. And another thing I like about it is the antique gold colored toggle switch makes an exciting clicking sound and switches the rotation direction. And it is made of frosted gold shell. It has a doubled ventilation, it has the twist lock system, and it is compact. Melodysusie Jade Rechargeable Nail Drill is the 3rd generation upgrade. It is improved and reduced e-file size. It is one of the smallest and lightest on the market. It is compact and portable enough to pack into your traveling bag, and it won't make your hand be numb after long time use. And most of all, it is rechargeable and cordless. It's like your phone. It's about the size of a phone. And it comes with 6 types of drill bits. So first is the mandrill, which is for surface works, shortening, and removal. Next was the round bit. It is for surface work, for backfill cutting, and infill cuticle. Third is the safety bit, which is for cuticle work, polish, nail side edge. And then the fourth is a small barrel, which is for surface work. And then the fifth is the needle head, which is for polish, nails, edge. And the sixth one is a cone bit. It is for under nails, cuticles, and side walls. So this is really easy to use and I highly recommend it to everyone. So overall, I love this e-file. It is very smooth and very easy to use. It is rechargeable, it is cordless, very quiet and lightweight, and most of all, it is powerful. So make sure to check the link below. And that's it everyone. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you for watching.